have a part in a new show. It doesn't start till the 21st. Starts in a couple
tomorrow.
days. Day after tomorrow. Tomorrow?
How about that?
Okay, but it's almost there, and once it starts, you could sit down and watch the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
We got a clip.
Yeah. It's called, right, let's
and
call
Josh Groban's in it, too, who I love, one of our favorite guests, and boy, what a voice he has.
Josh
Both of you, so
but he
talented.
doesn't sing. He doesn't sing on the show.
He doesn't sing.
I sing. He fights.
So tell everybody the setup. It's called The Good Cop.
It's called The Good Cop. And between the two of us, we make one good cop, I think. But he's a real stickler for every rule, and I'm sort of a guy who went to jail. and because of my parole, as a condition of my parole, we have to live together in the house he grew up in.
Oh, you're a bad cop. Like, you went to jail, cop.
I went to jail, and I did 7 years. And he and I, we're like the odd couple. It's really, and what's great about Josh, I want you to know.
Everything. I love
I'm going to tell you something. Well, I didn't know. You know,
you don't know till you show up.
Do a lot of acting? I don't know. A guy said to me, Josh Groban, a friend of mine said, it's either inspired or a disaster. But anyway, so he come, and we worked together. In the second week, I wrote him an email. I said, Josh, I just want to say how impressed I am with your work and your work ethic. Not that I'm the greatest judge, I don't presume to be, but I'm having a great time working with you. He's just such a great guy. It's so much fun. And he's going to surprise a lot of people, I think.
Yeah, I think he's a really talented actor, among everything else.
You know what else? He does voices. You know, he's like he's a clown. He's hysterical. I mean, you know, he surprised me.
He's one-stop shopping.
Yes.
So in real life, you work with the police athletic league, right?
Oh,
You're a friend of the police officers in real life, too, which means he hasn't gotten a ticket in decades.
No.
Just kidding.
No, what it means is that I'm on the board of directors of the police athletic league. I was a PAL kid. For those of you who don't know, New York, we got PAL.
League is a partnership for kids.
I was a PAL kid because the beat cop in my neighborhood in East New York in Brooklyn, which, by the way, is that Euclid Avenue is my stop. It's so funny.
It's so funny.
But anyway, the beat cop strongly suggested I should give PAL a try, so I did. But I'm on the board of directors now, and we started a program. PAL serves 35,000 kids in the city. But we started a program called PAL Acting. It's an after-school acting program, teen acting. And here's the slogan, PAL Acting, because when you teach a kid how to act, you teach a kid how to act.
Very good.
You know what I mean? And it's been amazing. We started with 12 kids up in the Harlem Center. We have 3 installations now. We have over 200 kids.
That's great.
We just put on a big benefit June 28th at John Jay College. Put on a big benefit, raised a bunch of money. The kids and the cops singing together.
Oh,
you know,
man.
you got to understand. You know, PAL, you know, New York City especially, PAL is at the nexus of one of the most intractable problems we have in this country, and young people and the police. And so we're talking all the time, talking about neighborhood policing and having the community involved and everything, and this really does the trick. And Commissioner O'Neill has even said to me, said to the board that he would set a benchmark. If I can get like an after-school program in every precinct in the city, then you set a benchmark at the precincts where the cops have to spend a certain amount of time with the program. So the kids meet the cops before they're in trouble.
That's right. And
Holy
they
mackerel.
get to know each other.
Yeah.
And I was asking him backstage about his cabaret show because there's so much in it. It's not just singing, dancing. It's really visiting with you, and you're such a warm person. Well, it's storytelling. Tell people what
cabaret. That's what I think cabaret is supposed to be. Cabaret is you're supposed to make a connection with the audience.
It's a visit.
Yeah, it's a visit. You know, you come and there's a few hundred people, and you try to weave a tale using songs to evoke to evoke emotions and stuff that you want, and you tell personal and professional stories, and try to wrap it all together, and then I bring out my secret weapon.
What's your secret weapon?
I play the ukulele.
Oh! All right, so now the list is long. Now when you come back, you have to bring the ukulele.
Oh, I will.
And you have to bring the artichokes.
I will bring. All right, okay.
I love you, Tony. I've known you for years. You're such a great person.
Good day.